What's up, guys? If you're new here, my name is Tucker Scott, and in today's video we're testing the features of the Canon R5 Mark II. Right now I'm currently in 8K RAW, then I'm going to go 4K 120, 2K 240, testing out that C-Log 2 feature. We got Taylor over here on the Tromox, and we got Kyle gripping his dirt bike all the way down there, and we're going to test it out on this Area 51. Let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Well,
Not here.
that shit broken. That's broken, brother. Well, first jump in, we cracked the center part of the ramp. So we're gonna try to J-rig something together so this man here can still send her. So stay tuned. All right, well, we got the man himself, Sammy, here to fix our ramp. But let's cue the B-roll and get this thing going. Well, we got it all figured out. Shout out Sammy for coming in clutch. Now we got the ramp built. It's time for Kyle to send it. How you feeling?
Pretty good. Getting used to it, feeling it out. That was a little bit too close. Yeah, like trying to that was like slow. It must be like the same speed I was hitting it. Or do you think that's smaller now?
Okay. Alright, this is insane. We're gonna swap over to the 70 to 200, test out some telephoto angles. So far, this is pretty gnarly. We got another little ripper here now. But yeah, this is insane. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Check this out. Butter! Oh, stalled her. Alright, so that's a wrap on today's video on the Canon R5 Mark II and the different features. We got photos, we got 2K 240, 4K 120, 8K 23. And this man right here was shrouping. We got Taylor, helping set the jump up. We got Sammy fixing the jump. But now it's time to leave. We're being taken over by the Groms. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you liked it, hit that like button. Later.